Hey teachers, welcome back to Chalkboard Wisdom, your go-to for quotes that get you through the toughest school days. I'm Professor Chalky, and today we're tackling a challenge we all know too well, faculty meetings. Whether they're an hour of updates or a marathon of memos. Let's face it, they can test our patience. So, here are 5 quotes to help you survive faculty meetings with a smile. First up, meetings are like Wi-Fi. Sometimes you're connected, sometimes you're not. This one's for those moments when you're zoning out while someone reads the entire handbook aloud. Just nod, sip your coffee, and wait for the signal to come back. Number 2, the only thing longer than a faculty meeting is the line for the copier on Monday morning. We've all been there, watching the clock tick while the agenda grows longer. Keep this quote in mind when you're counting down the minutes. Here's the third. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein. Okay, so maybe Einstein wasn't talking about faculty meetings, but hear me out. Use that time to brainstorm lesson ideas or doodle in your notepad. It's a chance to find a little spark amidst the schedules. Number 4, a meeting without coffee is like a lesson without a plan. Pure chaos. If you're stuck in a meeting that's dragging on, make sure you got your trusty coffee mug nearby. It's your secret weapon for staying awake and sane. And finally, keep calm and pretend you're taking notes. This one's a survival tip for those extra long meetings. Grab your pen, scribble some doodles, and look engaged. It's the perfect way to make it through. So, there you have it, 5 quotes to help you survive faculty meetings. These little nuggets of wisdom have gotten me through some marathon sessions, and I hope they help you too. Which one's your favorite? Let's chat about it. Before we go, I want to hear from you. Which quote made you laugh the most? Or do you have a go-to saying for faculty meetings? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're loving this, hit that like button. It really helps us reach more teachers like you. Thanks for joining me on Chalkboard Wisdom, where we share quotes every teacher needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration, and check out our last video for quotes to start the school year right. If you know a teacher who dreads faculty meetings, share this video with them. It might just make their day. Until next time, keep teaching, keep inspiring, and I'll see you in the comments.